Hello everyone, this is Sumit Bose and I am from the Bodhi Academy. Today we are going to discuss on the chapter Mineral and Power Resources. Okay, we have divided this chapter into two parts. So today we are going to do with part 1, Mineral and Power Resources. Okay, so we have divided what we will know in this chapter. We will cover today only the mineral part and soon we will cover this one, power resources also. Okay, so in the first part we are discussing with about the minerals. These will be the points. First will be types of minerals, extraction of minerals, distribution of minerals. Means we are going to cover all these continents: Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. So in distribution of minerals, we are going to cover all the 7 continents of the world. Okay. Then we are going to highlight this matter, distribution in India. Then uses of minerals, then the conservation of minerals. Okay, so without any further delay we will start with the first point, that is types of minerals. Right, types of minerals are of two types: metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. Okay, now metallic minerals have two parts: ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Now you may be thinking, what are ferrous minerals, what are non-ferrous minerals? Ferrous minerals are those which so ferrous minerals are known which have iron, and non-ferrous minerals which doesn't contain iron. Okay, non-metallic minerals, what are those minerals? Simple: copper. Okay, so these are types of there are two types of minerals. First one is the metallic mineral, second one is the non-metallic mineral. Now metallic mineral has two parts: ferrous minerals, non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals means which contains iron, non-ferrous minerals means which doesn't contain iron. Non-metallic minerals means which does not contain metals. Okay, which does not contain metals. Extraction, now we are going to do on the second point, extraction of minerals. So extraction of minerals, these are the three ways. First way is mining, second way is drilling, and the third way is quarrying. Okay, now most popular way is mining. Okay, so mining is done in two types. There are two types of mining: open cast mining and shaft mining. Then they do drilling and then quarrying. Okay, so these are the three processes on how minerals are extracted. Okay, so let's move on to the next point, distribution of minerals. Okay, this is the most important point. Minerals occur in different types of rocks, that is igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. So minerals naturally come from rocks. Okay, the most of the I mean all the rocks contain different types of minerals. Okay, so igneous rock, metamorphic rock, sedimentary rocks, these are the types of rock which contain most of the minerals. Okay, so I hope you understood it. So let's focus on the distribution of minerals continent wise. Okay, and our first continent is the biggest continent, Asia. China and India have large iron deposits. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. Okay, now Asia is the biggest continent, okay, in the world. So China and India have large deposits. The continent produces more than half of the tin, except that also iron ore also is found. Okay, mica was also found. Okay, many, but this Asia is the leading producer. Okay, but the top producer in the world is tin. Okay, Asia's tin. Asia gives more than half of the world's tin which is needed. Okay, so next our continent is Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries which have large deposit of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden and France. Okay, now Europe is special. The speciality of Asia is tin, and the speciality of Europe is iron ore. Okay, it is Asia is the leading producer of tin in the world, and Europe is the leading producer of iron ores in the world. Okay, and the major countries that have large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden and France. Okay, so let's move on the next country, that is North America. Mineral deposits in North America has 3 zones. Okay, in North America mineral deposits are in 3 zones. Okay, we have divided North America in 3 zones and we will find out the mineral deposits. Okay, the first one is the Canadian Shield region. It is rich in iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper. Okay, the next zone is Appalachian region, which is very much rich in coal. The third zone is Western Cordilleras, which is rich in zinc, lead, gold and silver. Okay, now we will move to South America. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are the leading producers of copper. Mineral oil are found in Argentina, Chile, Peru and Colombia. So Brazil's iron is different from the iron found in Europe, because the grade of the iron which is found in Brazil, it has higher grade, okay, compared to the European countries. Okay, Chile and Peru are the leading producers of copper. Mineral oil are found in Argentina, Chile, Peru and Colombia. Okay, next we will move to Africa. Africa is the largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum in the world. Oil is found in Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Africa is very famous, known for diamonds. In fact, Africa is the biggest producer of diamond and gold in the world. Okay, Zimbabwe is very much famous for diamonds, the diamond deposits, especially. Okay, so Africa has rich heritage, rich mineral resources in diamonds. Okay, Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. Okay, it is the leading producer of gold, diamond, iron and nickel. Okay, so Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. So each and every continent has its own speciality, has its own speciality of contribution of minerals in the world. Okay, now we will move to Antarctica. The geology of Antarctica is sufficiently predict the existence of various minerals, and which can, I mean, as Antarctica we know it's a cold continent, so but there are possibilities of Antarctica's rich mineral resources. Okay, so we will go to the next point, which is distribution in India. High-grade iron ore are found in India in Jharkhand, Odisha, Goa and Maharashtra. Now Jharkhand is such a state that is rich in mineral resources. Okay. Next we will see what is the point. Major bauxite producing areas are in Jharkhand, Gujarat, Odisha, etc. Okay. Mica deposits are mainly found in Jharkhand. Copper can be found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. See, everywhere we can see Jharkhand. Gold deposits can be found in Kolar in Karnataka. So India also has a rich deposit of minerals. Okay. So we will go to the next point. Minerals. Uses of minerals. Why? What are the uses? Various uses of minerals. Minerals are used in many industries. Gems are used to make jewelry. Aluminiums obtained from its ore, bauxite, are used in automobiles and aeroplanes. So these are the very many these are the uses, okay, of minerals. So each and every mineral has its own use. Okay. Now we will come to the last and conclusion point, that is conservation of minerals. Now minerals are non-renewable resource. It takes thousands and thousands of years to form. Okay. It is necessary to reduce the process of mining. If you don't reduce the process of mining, these resources will be diluted. Recycling of metals is another way to conserve minerals. So recycling is another way to conserve minerals. Okay, so I hope you all understood the chapter, and for more information or details, please contact the Bodhi Academy and hit like, comment and subscribe.